Guys, Crypto with Dinny. Just finishing a workout. Probably should have sipped water before I hit the live, huh? I was thinking of this, I thought I'd share it to you guys. Jeff Bezos taught me a really cool lesson on investing and on volatility. So I'll just frame it. It'll be a really short video. Guys, remember, do your daily exercise. I've got a bad knee here, I hurt on the motocross bike at the weekend. But still hit the punch bag, so getting it done regardless. Getting the job done, having a crack. Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world. Okay? Well, I don't think he's the richest now. He might only be second richest. Oh, damn. Okay? Jeff Bezos is one of the wealthiest people in the world, let's just say. Okay? Because he owns Amazon stock. And Amazon stock was a super high performer. But way back when, like 10, 15 years ago, there was huge volatility in Amazon stock. And a reporter once asked Jeff, he says to him, Jeff, how'd you deal with the volatility? How'd you deal with the price action? You see, 8 times Amazon drawed down. Frankie, what's the crack? Down under. Good man. I'd say it's warmer than it is here. It's fucking raining here. It's not a very nice day. I was hoping to get the car out for a spin, but I can't take it out now because I'm only after cleaning it. Anyway, I'm waffling. 8 times Amazon drawed down 50%. Remember, people start crying if Bitcoin goes down 20%. And it's understandable. If they just come in, they buy Bitcoin at 60 grand. And it goes down to 40. It's understandable, but it's a hodler's journey, it's called. Okay? So 8 times Amazon drawed down 50%, and the reporter was kind of asking him, like, how did you deal with that price action? And I think 3 or 4 times Amazon drew down over 90%, which means the stock lost 90% of its value. That'd be like Bitcoin going to 5 grand now. How would you deal with that? Well, that happened 4 times to Jeff Bezos, one of the richest men in the world. And the reporter was asked, how'd you deal with that, Jeff? And it was simple enough, he says. He said, I didn't focus on the price. I didn't focus on the volatility. I just focused on my network, on my customer base. Was there more or less people joining Amazon? Were we getting more or less customers every month? More customers. Okay, so our network is growing. Alright, our price will catch up. That's how things work. And if you can apply the same, Paul, what's the crack? If you can apply the same logic to Bitcoin. On my Instagram story there yesterday, I shared, or 2 days ago, I shared a graph of the amount of Bitcoin ATMs in America. And the graph looks like this. 2020, 2021. It just goes in hockey stick parabolic growth. So they're not putting those Bitcoin ATMs everywhere if there's not more and more people wanting them and using them. Alright? That's just one graph. We can look on chain, somewhere between 2 million and 3 million Bitcoin, new Bitcoin wallet addresses open every week. So there's more customers. The network is expanding. Don't focus on the price. Price is noise. If you truly can understand that, when the price comes down, you see it as a gift. You're like, there's more customers, the network's expanding at parabolic growth, and it's cheaper. It's like walking into a car dealership and seeing the car of your dreams, and it's 20% off. Buy it. Don't even think about it. Guys, hope you have a super Saturday. Hope you get active. Hit the like button if you enjoy the tips, and it motivates me to do more of them. I will be doing a YouTube video once I finish my workout here now. Get in, get showered, get set up, and I'll be filming a YouTube video. If you're not following us on YouTube, you're missing out. Crypto with Dinny, jump on, because I'm going to be talking about why only 21 million Bitcoin. Why is there only 21 million Bitcoin? Which is super interesting, and again, it really helps you forecast price. Anyway, have an awesome day. Get moving. Thank you for hitting the like button. And anyone who didn't, become part of a community. It's hard on your own. A hodler's journey is difficult. Okay, I'll give a Dinny bomb. Alright, I'll give a Dinny bomb. Okay? Dinny bombs are like for people who stay on to the end of the video. Some people jump off early so they miss the bombs. But anyway, I'll give you a bomb. So Jeff Bezos gives us a lesson on hodling. Because the hodlers are the people who get very wealthy in crypto. And the hodlers just mean the people who hold. Okay, they buy and hold. They buy an asset that they think is undervalued, and they hold it until the rest of the world realizes the value in the thing. Alright, so Jeff Bezos was forced to be a hodler in Amazon. Why aren't all the people who invested in Amazon all the wealthiest people in the world? Because they weren't hodlers. They sold the stock too early. It's one of the highest performing stocks, and they sold it too early. The reason they done that is because 8 times it drew down 50%. You might do that once or twice, but on the 3rd time you're like, here, I'm out. If you don't. Jeff was the only person that understood the value of Amazon. Because he's the one who was building it. He was the one who was making it. So he was a hodler. And that's how he's the richest man in the world. Or one of them. Anyway, have an awesome day. Happy Saturday, guys. Dinny out.